everyone, my name is Jerry. Welcome to the forecast BBC News. In Hanoi, it's sunny. You should bring a big cool water and drink that. You shouldn't go out because you can have a bad skin. In Da Nang, it's stormy and you should wear a coat. You shouldn't wear a t-shirt when you go out. Thank you for listening.